This is the refrigerator from the LEGO Seinfeld idea set. When I was building this set and I finished the fridge from Jerry's kitchen, I looked at it, I took it all in, and I got annoyed. And no, not because of the stickers. I actually appreciate the stickers and the little Easter eggs. The reason this fridge sucks is because of the top. There's these awful gaps at the top corners because they decided to just slap a 2x4 tile on top and call it a day. I also really don't care for this water and ice dispenser using the tap pieces. I mean, I guess it works, but it just feels a little clunky. Now don't get me wrong, the way LEGO designed this fridge is actually really smart. They utilize the newer 2x6 tiles, which are great, especially for the fridge doors, and these snot plates as well. But I just feel like it could be better and more clean looking. So I got to work doing my own little redesign of it. I've actually built a lot of LEGO refrigerators over the years. If you follow me, you know that I build mostly LEGO furniture, and this one probably uses the least amount of parts for a fridge, and probably looks the best, to be honest. So here it is, the finished product. Using the larger snot plates and a 1x4 brick, I didn't need a tile at the top, which made everything flush and even. I also swapped out the tap pieces in the ice dispenser for these two panel pieces, which allows you to place a cup in it if you wanted. If you also wanted to nix the stickers, you can just use a jumper plate to add a printed tile like this little sticky note or maybe a fridge magnet. Here they are side by side to compare. My version is just a hair shorter than LEGO's version, but it is the same width, and mine also uses less parts. I added the stickers to my version as well to see how it would look, and I like it. It feels more simple and more clean. And here it is with the tap pieces if you didn't want to change those out. So what do you guys think about my version of Jerry's refrigerator? Is it better than LEGO's? Would these things bother you too, or am I just being picky? Let me know what you think, and as always, thanks for watching.